2 years after it halted operations due to the pandemic, Ethiopian Airlines, Africa's best airline and the largest aviation group in Africa, has resumed flights to Bengaluru. Announcing thrice weekly passenger flights to the Silicon Valley of India, the CEO of Ethiopian Airlines, Mesfin Tasew, said, "We are glad to have resumed flights to the commercial capital of India, and we will be committed in serving our customers with a high-quality services." A statement issued in Addis Ababa on Tuesday stated that the flight operations were resumed on 27 March 2022. Currently, Ethiopian operates passenger flights to Mumbai and Delhi as well as cargo service to Bengaluru, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Mumbai and New Delhi.
After a lockdown, you had plans to launch 2 years back. Since because of COVID, it was postponed. So just tell me about this project and how's the project going now?
Okay, thank you very much. 2 years ago, we have launched our flight operation. We operated just for 4 months, and after that, the pandemic came. Due to that, we halted our operations. Now, after 2 years, almost 2 years back, now we are restarted our flight operations.
So in India, from how many states do you have flights for Ethiopia, basically?
Currently, passenger flights from Mumbai and also New Delhi, the capital. Cargo, we are operating Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai and New Delhi.
What made you come up with the Bangalore concept? What was it?
Bangalore is, the Silicon Valley of India and the industrial city of India. So, we have to, as an African leading carrier, we have to serve this market and also to connect the southern India to Africa and also Europe and the US and beyond.
Ethiopia, land of origins. Ethiopia invites you to discover why it is the origin of so much history and culture, vibrantly alive in a landscape of dramatic beauty. For this is a land of origins. It is the cradle of humanity where our ancestors first walked on 2 legs. It is also the source of the Blue Nile that flows from mystic Lake Tana. And it is the origin of coffee that grows wild in the cloud forests of the biosphere reserves of Kaffa and Yayu. Al-Harar, the 4th most holy city in Islam, and powerful kingdoms that gave splendor to Gondar with its 17th century fairy tale castles. The UNESCO has recognized this wealth with 9 World Heritage Sites.